Hi students, welcome back to my channel. This is Deepak, your maths teacher from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. I hope you all are indoors and safe. So without wasting any time, let's move to today's topic. So first topic for today is word problem based on fractions. So today we will be learning about the word problems based on fractions. Towards the first question. So Salil ate 3/8 part of the pizza and Sameer ate 2/8 part of the pizza. How much part of the pizza they ate together? So we need to find out the total part which they both ate together. So you know what we need to do? When there is always asking how much part of the pizza they ate together, it means we need to add. So normal addition 3/8. We'll do statement wise, okay? So part of the pizza Salil ate, okay? Salil 8. It is 3/8 on 8. Again, part of pizza Sameer 8. Now that is 2/8. Okay. Now we need to find out the total. Total pizza. The total part of the pizza they ate. That would be, now we are finding out total. Total means we need to add. So 2/8 plus 3/8. As you can see, the denominator is the same. So we can take 8 as the denominator of the result and we write 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Okay. So we got the answer 5/8. So 5/8 is the total part which they both ate together. That is Salil and Sameer. Now if there would have been a question that how much part of the pizza is left over. So we know that it is 8/8. There was one whole pizza which is 8/8 parts. Okay. Now 8/8 is the total number of parts of the pizza. That is 8 on 8. Okay. Now 5/8 is the part that they ate. So 8/8 minus 5/8. Again the denominator are same. So we will take 8 as the common denominator and 8 minus 5 is 8 minus 5 would be 3/8. So 3/8 is the part of the pizza which is left over and no one has ate it. Okay. So this is the first example. Now moving on to the second example. The sum of two fractions is 15/19. If one fraction is 9/19, what is the second fraction? Now we have the sum of two fractions, that is 15/19, and we have one fraction, the first fraction, that is 9/19. We need to find out the second fraction. So with the help of the statements, we'll begin with first fraction is equals to 9/19. Okay. Now we need to find out the second fraction. First, tell me one thing. If let's say we have 10 rupees in a pocket, okay, and we know that when we put our hand in a pocket and we picked out few coins, we got 4 rupees in our hand. And if we need to check out that how much amount is left in a pocket, what we'll do? 10 minus 4, that is 6. Same way, in this question we have the total fraction, that is 15/19. Okay, one fraction is 9/19. Let's say we have 15 rupees in a pocket. We picked few coins in a pocket and we got 9 coins. We got 9 rupees in our hand, and the remaining coins would be 15 minus 9, right? So the same manner we need to find out the second one. Second fraction is equals to total 15/19 minus the first one, that is 9/19. What do we got? As the denominator is same, we'll write denominator over as the result, and 15 minus 9 is 6. So 6/19 is the second fraction. So in this manner we can find out different kinds of parts, different types of parts and different parts basically of the fractions by knowing that if we are having one fraction and we have got a total fraction, we can directly minus the first fraction or the second one and we can find the second fraction and so on. Let's move on to a third question. A tailor bought 1/2 meter of red cloth, like half a meter of red cloth, 2 whole 1/2 meter of green and 5 whole 1/2 meter of blue cloth. Find the total cloth. So first we need to see, you can see over here that these are mixed fractions, okay, and this is the last kind of fraction word problem which we are solving for today. So mixed fraction with like fractions. Okay. Now what we need to do is, first we need to solve these mixed fractions into proper fractions. So 2 whole 1 by 2. What we will write it? 2 to the 4 and 1 5. 5 by 2. Second one 5 whole 1 by 2. Okay. So 5 to the 10 and 1 11. 11 by 2. Okay. Now we'll begin with the same method, statement wise. Now you have all these fractions and you can directly solve it. You don't have any whole numbers in it. So we need to find the total cloth. Total means we need to add. Okay. So now either you can write in step by step, like 1 by 2 of red cloth. You can write red cloth is equals to 1 by 2 meters. Okay. Then green cloth is equals to 5 by 2 meters. And at last you would say blue cloth is equals to 11 by 2 meters. 11 by 2. And total is equals to 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 11 by 2. Now denominator is the same, so we will write 2 as a denominator, and 11 plus 5 is 16 and 16 plus 1 is 17. So 17 by 2 is the answer to this question, that is total cloth. And if we need to write this in mixed fractions, we can write it as 2 whole 8 over here as 8 to the 16 and 1 17. So 17 by 2 or 8 whole 1 by 2 is the correct answer. So these are the 3 kinds of questions for the word problems based on fractions. I hope you all learned something new, and stay tuned. See you in the next video. Thank you.